thought it might be beneficial to show you some of the features of this little space heater. It is pretty small. I'm going to just show you. Here's my kitchen counter. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, but I kind of like the size of it. You've got some buttons on top here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You've got your power button, and then you've got different levels. So you can do a high 2, just a high. High 3 is going to be your highest. You'll notice it's oscillating. I'm going to let you listen to it. It's nice and quiet. You have a timer option if you want to put it on a timer. If you don't want it to oscillate, you can simply just press one of the buttons and it will not move. It is nice and warm. When you're done with it, simply press the power button.